Hi everyone, so right now we're going to be making some glitter slime. So for this activity what you need is a glass mixing bowl, you need a mixing utensil, you need measuring spoons, you need some glitter glue, you need 6 ounces of that, you need half a tablespoon of baking soda, and you need a table and a half spoons of contact lens solution. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to empty our glue into our bowl. So you want to try and get all of it out. What I'm going to do is a little secret that I have learned is if you tip it upside down, some more might come down. So then I'm going to put my half tablespoon of baking soda into it. You want to make sure that you level it out so you get the perfect amount. And then you're going to mix. Make sure if you're doing this at home, you ask what's the best utensil to use just in case this glue does not come off it. So you give it a little mix. Let's see if we got any more glue to move down. We did just a little bit. Give it another little mix. And then that's when we're going to add in our table and a half spoon of our contact lens solution. And then you give it another little mix with your mixing utensil. And then you're going to knead. Now knead is something that you do with your bread too. And you mix it all in the bowl and you're going to start to knead it. And you start to get your slime consistency. There we have it. You made your own gloopy slime. Now when you're done playing with it and you need it a little bit more to make it a little bit more playable, you want to keep it in an airtight container. So it means that your slime does not dry out and you can reuse it